Hey everyone, check out the Baden Champions Volleyball and Badminton Portable Combo Set featuring an official size 32-foot wide net. This 2020 update includes quick tension pull-down handles and carabiners for maximum net tension in seconds. Setup is quick and easy with adjustable steel poles, boundary lines, and seamless game transitions. Built tough with heavy-duty powder-coated steel poles, waterproof edges, and durable nylon rope to withstand any competition. The set includes a regulation volleyball and badminton net, steel poles, stakes, a high-quality volleyball, 4 rackets, shuttlecocks, boundary lines, and a weather-resistant carry bag. Perfect for yard games, family cookouts, summer camps, and social events with 2 or more players. Grab this combo set for endless outdoor fun and competition wherever you go. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.